Okay, I picked up these 4 boxes, and as you can see, these are old Athearn boxes. The blue box, which is a wonderful box with a really great picture of a railroad scene, and usually it tells us what's in the box. And this says PB1 dummy Santa Fe. So this is a dummy Santa Fe. Ooh, my gosh, this is pretty. What a paint job. Wow. Really pretty. Now, dummies are not my favorite, but it does look like it's a special set. The reason why I say that is, you could see in there that coupler. That's a coupler designed for a 4 train setup. So there's one dummy that we know of, aside from me taking the video. A little humor in there. And this is another PB1 dummy. So let's see. Oh, it's really hard to open it. Didn't expect that. I don't have my little stand, which I may have to get. Okay, here's the other one. This is the second dummy unit. So obviously these go on in the, I mean, look at that beautiful symbol there, which is the, I think the Santa Fe Chief. The beautiful symbol. I think it looks red, and I think it's an Indian chief headdress. So I like to think it pays honor to our Native Americans. I hope that's true. That's the way I think of it anyway. I think all cultures should be remembered and celebrated. But that's for a bigger topic than toy trains. Now this one is PA1 powered Santa Fe. Oh, look at this. You have a Super Chief. Santa Fe, Super Chief. You notice the wheels are silver now, not plastic, so they're powered. I don't think it's worth it to try to power all of them. Let's put this up on the tracks, though, because we're going to want to try this out. Now, I did see they were alive at the train show, but that doesn't mean they're going to run. You know, they worked a little bit. And this, I guess, is going to be another A. See how easy that box came off? Yep, another A unit. And this one is powered as well. And you can see because of the bronze bearings, they wouldn't bother to put bronze bearings on a dummy. So, oof. Let's see here. Okay, that's on. I'm going to lift it so I'm not really dragging it too hard against the axles and the wheels. I'm going to close this box. Now we've got to put on two dummies. Now this is going to be an interesting thing. How does this work? Well, you can see there's a drawbar here. Well, it certainly makes a sleek 4-engine team. And let me say, it wasn't that easy getting it all set up. I have no idea if it's going to run on these tracks, but it's a nice, sleek looking thing. Well, she's coming around the bend kind of slow, so she must be eating up a ton of juice. But at least she's working. Wow, she's going a lot slower than I thought. That's at full power. Maybe they gotta get some running time in. I hope, yeah, they seem to be, they should be going a lot faster than that. I'm gonna have to clean them up. Who knows how long they've been in that box. See a little uptick. Yeah, gonna need some maintenance. They're both powered. They may loosen up. They got some running time. My imagination, or they pick up a little bit on the decline. Yep. There's a derail. Ooh, look at that. A little crash. How did that happen? It did. Let's see if we can back it up. Oh, this truck. Let's see now. That truck. Oh, that truck's still derailed. Let's bring it to a clearer spot. I guess the engines are so weighted. Doesn't want to go back on. Let's see. That's a problem. really weird problem. Not gonna be easy, especially since I don't have any light over here. Yeah, this coupler thing is not the best. Wow, very difficult. This coupling, you know, rod or bar, I'm gonna have to improve that. All right, well, it does run, so I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll try to do better next time with this, and we'll be back with the Santa Fe Super Chief.